All right, 2017 Cadillac CTS 2.0 liter all-wheel drive. I'm running my Big 3 for my stereo system. I got the 0 gauge running through here, ready to run another wire to my alternator. This is the power wire. I ran it through this little cubby hole here. You can reach your hand up in there. I took the wheel off and the fender wheel. So I ran the power wire down this channel. There's a channel that runs all the way down under the doors there. So the power wire comes up. I still ain't mounted it, but it comes up and goes up in there. And it comes out right here where this foam was. And goes right there. So then it runs all the way down. Runs down through this channel. And it comes out right there. So I just ran it. You could see, yeah, you see it? There's a channel down there, but I ran it next to this other wire. Ran it all the way around. And then ran it underneath here. And then all the way back. There was a factory wire right here with a little slit, so I just cut a hole for my 0 gauge. Ran it right in the same grommet. This is the very left rear. Just cut a hole, bam. Power wire comes in here, straight behind the battery. Now it's ready for another fuse box. Straight to the battery. There you go.